Okay, this is part 2.
Sorry.
So we left off when we were unscrewing these. There's 3, 2 are visible, and then you just want to pop this off. And there's the other one. And then we'll unscrew these. Oops.
I was like, what? Microsoft.
Yeah, sucks. They could have fixed their whole problem.
With 8 cents.
But no. We have to go through this. And then this, just slide it out. I don't know why yours is. Oh, just pop it out. Forgot.
That sounds like it's gonna make a noise that I'm not gonna like.
Alright. And then, now we can get this out. Did they like wrote on yours?
Yeah, I know. Got an I and an R.
Alright. And then you want to turn this around. And here is our problem. These. Take these piece of shits off.
Jesus. Do you go find the 8 pennies or what?
Take them off right now. Look at these. This, see this? This is what causes the Xbox problem. These stupid things. Okay, so now we're going to put it on pause.